But very much later, I read this book called Your Money or Your Life. You can pick it up. And it's a beautiful book which talks about mindful spending. And if you want a rule, it's a 50-30-20 principle. It's a very simple rule. 50% of your expenses go towards your needs. 30% go towards your savings, in my opinion. General rule says 30% towards wants. Indian hisab says 30% towards saving.
सोमवार की सुबह में आपका स्वागत है. ये है रेसिप्रोसिटी एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट टुडे इज द वुमेन्स डे स्पेशल एंड वी हैव अ ग्रेट स्पीकर विद अस दैट इज नेहा सिंह. नेहा, welcome to Reciprocity.
Thank you so much.
And she also runs a brand which she's famous for, is called Womenista.
So I'll make it very simple. You write woman,
Yeah.
right? You spell it out, WOMAN. Cut the man out of it, replace it with money, and add star for sister. So just the way there's brotherhood and bros,
There's a sisterhood.
there's a sisterhood of financially smart women that we're trying to build.
Do you feel sexy when you make money or you spend money? And you know, that really caught my attention and I missed half of your other presentation because I kept thinking about it. आजकल के दौर में जहाँ women enjoy spending money, I am in a group of people, group of women in my age bracket who love to be at the Emporio. Girls, don't troll me on the video. But you know, having a financial security at that stage is also very important. So what is your take on women overspending on brands today and how would you like to balance that out?
That's true. I think there is nothing wrong, I would say, in
Correct.
enjoying life, right? A lot of people, when they talk to me, they somehow feel I'm going to tell them nahi ye sab galat hai, or I'm going to judge them.
Right.
But having said that, I enjoy luxury. I enjoy luxurious experiences.
Of course.
You can find me shopping for the things which would be outrageously expensive. But having said that, I believe that while you enjoy your money,
Yeah.
you should also know how to use it to your best interest by creating assets out of it parallelly. So if you're building security for yourself, or if you're investing smartly
Right.
to secure yourself and have that dignity that I'm enjoying my life, but I also have a backing which is my own. I think that's one of the key things, right? Creating wealth which I can call my own. A lot of women forget to do that, and it really strikes a lot of them much later in life that इतने साल काम किया, मजे किए, great, living this great life. But we have women who come and say, Neha, हमने अपना कुछ नहीं बनाया. Right? And I think that's the heart of this, because you're not saying कि मत खर्चो,
Yeah.
enjoy करो, but also build assets. I
So
think
guys,
that's the same.
that is Neha Singh talking about enjoying life,
Yeah, absolutely.
spending rightful money, and also at the same time creating assets for a brighter future and a perfect retirement. Then now let's come back to retirement. What do you think is a good age to retire, Neha?
You know, when I was younger, as a young person, there are these traditional things, right? We were taught कि इस age तक शादी कर लेनी चाहिए,
Yeah.
इस age तक बच्चे हो जाने चाहिए, और फिर उसके बाद 55-60 पे
60,
तुम्हें रिटायर
yeah.
करना है, right?
Yeah, exactly.
और गवर्नमेंट भी वही एज बोलती है. तो मुझे लगता था यही पैटर्न है, but I realized in my own personal journey as well that retirement is nothing but it's just a point in life where you pause and you have enough where you can do work or enjoy your life the way you want to without worrying about money.
Absolutely. Everybody
Right?
wants that.
Everybody wants that. So
Yeah.
I thought to myself, even when I went for my maternity break, for that 6 महीने और 8 महीने, I was in a semi-retirement mode, right? Because वो 6 महीने I had something else.
You enter retirement,
I
of
was
course.
not having an active, flow of money, or I didn't know whether I will have a flow of money after my maternity is over. Same thing when I started my business. For the first few years, you
Right.
don't know how your lifestyle will happen. So retirement actually now is no longer about just that number. A lot of people have a FIRE करके एक concept है, financial independence, retire early,
Right.
which says that you can retire by the age of 40, 35.
Huh.
But for that, starting point क्या है? Starting point is always कि आप कितनी सेविंग कर रहे हो और उससे आप कितने assets create कर रहे हो, which can support your lifestyle later.
मैं तो
Right.
कब से सोच रहा हूँ कि 40 is
It.
it. I
हाँ.
want to retire. Yeah, so it
But
could
there's
be a
of
number.
course, it's a number.
Yeah.
All of this is a number.
And you know, like you said, maternity, like I've been thinking कि यार मैं 4 महीने holiday लेना चाहता हूँ.
Yes.
So that could be a part of retirement.
sabbatical.
A
A lot of
sabbatical.
people say, yeah, I just want to quit. And before my next job, I want a 1-year sabbatical to just travel, because as young people, a lot of us didn't probably have that liberty to do it.
Of course.
But today we do.
Yeah.
So that's also, you need to plan for that 1 year, ना. पैसा तो कहीं से नहीं आएगा. आप ही पैसा टाइप के पैसा का अरेंजमेंट करोगे.
So Neha, it is great talking to you today, and on behalf of Reciprocity, I would like to thank you for being with us as a guest speaker for the day. And
My
guys,
pleasure.
I'm going to leave Neha's contact and Instagram and LinkedIn handle right in my comments here. And somebody who wants to plan a great financial life, a secured financial life. You want to take a holiday, you want to take a sabbatical, you
want
want
to buy
to
a LV bag if you don't have it already.
probably, or you want to do a second act of life where you want to do something new that has always been in your heart and you want to start something new, then this lady can really help you achieve your target. So Neha, thank you so much for being on the show.
Pleasure was mine.